The current season at Tampa ends in May. Now, schools being given at least 2 or 3 meets each weekend in preparation for the upcoming ISA Boys and Girls Championships, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic, is being seen as a positive move. Reigning champs winners Edwin Allen and Jamaica College are looking to take advantage of the options. But can other schools do the same? Jermaine Brown tells us more.
3 high school track and field meets were held last weekend, with the J3A's development series taking place at Jamaica College, Calabar and Excelsior. The meets have seen the continued practice of boys and girls competing in different sessions as part of COVID-19 protocols. The meets also offer different disciplines, such as Excelsior having only field events last weekend. But how do schools spread the resources, including management, to take advantage of these options?
We have a great support staff from all facets, from the school admin to those who assist in training to those who make sure that the welfare of the students are on par. So we are a good team unit, and that is what we make sure that happens at each meet and at championship, so that we can galvanize and win all the championships possible.
Edwin Allen girls assistant coach Jadine Ashley says it's all part and parcel of trying to do well at champs and beyond.
We want them to do well, not only here, but we look forward to them doing greater things for country and for themselves.
Ruel James, jumps coach for defending boys champs winners Jamaica College, says the meets are critical to their preparation.
As the weekends go by, you know that we have to prepare ourselves for the upcoming boys and girls championship. So these meets are very important to get in the athletes to prepare the athletes for that big day.
He added that making use of the meets are even more important because of the continued impact of the COVID-19 pandemic.
A lot of schools have setbacks and things, and we also have setbacks. So COVID have contributed a lot of setbacks. So we have to just still push on to and find ways and means to carry out our training program.
The Queen's Grace Jackson and the St. Elizabeth Technical Invitational meets are scheduled for this weekend. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.